Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect Southside cocktail like a pro. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. So take a mixing glass and pour 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of London dry gin. Next pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of simple syrup. Perfect. Now add 6 to 8 pieces of lemon moon. Next add 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves. Now gently muddle to extract juice and flavor from the solid. Always muddle solid ingredients in the presence of liquid, so that oil and juice can come out easily from the solid. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Now add 6 to 8 ice cubes, and shake vigorously. There are lots of theories about the invention of this classic cocktail. But still it is believed that this cocktail was created during the Prohibition era in the Southside district of Chicago. I hope you are enjoying this classic recipe. Take a cocktail glass of about 10 ounces or 300 milliliters. Now quickly double strain the mixture straight into the cocktail glass. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. The classic Southside cocktail is now ready, so garnish it with a slice of lemon and a fresh mint sprig. Cheers! Have a great day! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching and drink responsibly.